Learn English too.
Gujarati.
Before phrases with
Pehla.
welcome to before. Hey, you're in the right place. If you want useful Gujarati, you can actually say out loud. Today, we train your brain to love the idea of before, not after the disaster. Our magic word today is
Pehla.
meaning before. And yes, this tiny word is extremely powerful. It can save awkward exits, messy meetings, silly answers, risky signatures, and dramatic life choices involving mysterious forms and maybe suspicious ice cream. You'll hear 5 key phrases in
Gujarati.
and by the end, you'll feel like a cautious genius with excellent timing. The doorway reminder. Let's start with a phrase that sounds caring, practical, and just a little bit dramatic. Perfect for doorways, family chats, and last-second reminders. In English, call me before you go. In Gujarati,
તમે જાઓ તે પહેલા મને ફોન કરજો.
break it in your mind like this.
તમે જાઓ.
Means, you go.
તે પહેલા.
Means, before that, and
મને ફોન કરજો.
means, call me. Funny memory trick. Imagine a talking front door yelling
મને ફોન કરજો.
before it opens. Rude door, useful phrase. Say it again slowly.
તમે જાઓ તે પહેલા મને ફોન કરજો.
Mini scene. Your friend grabs keys, bag, sunglasses, and an attitude. You smile and say,
તમે જાઓ તે પહેલા મને ફોન કરજો.
before the chaos begins. Now let's enter the meeting room, classroom, or family group project nobody asked for. This phrase brings order before confusion starts doing cartwheels. In English, before we start, let's clarify that. In Gujarati,
શરૂ કરતા પહેલા ચાલો એ સ્પષ્ટ કરીએ.
key idea.
શરૂ કરતા પહેલા.
Means, before starting, and
ચાલો એ સ્પષ્ટ કરીએ.
means, let's clarify that. Use it when people are ready to begin, but one detail is still floating around the room like an invisible mosquito. Say it with calm confidence.
શરૂ કરતા પહેલા ચાલો એ સ્પષ્ટ કરીએ.
Comedy version. The cooking host lifts a spoon and says,
શરૂ કરતા પહેલા ચાલો એ સ્પષ્ટ કરીએ.
this is sugar, not salt. The cake survives. Humanity survives. The wise pause. This next sentence is for the hero of every conversation. The person who does not launch words like confetti. You're about to learn elegant patience. In English, before he answers, he thinks. In Gujarati,
જવાબ આપતા પહેલા તે વિચારે છે.
listen for 2 important pieces.
જવાબ.
Is answer and
વિચારે છે.
is thinks. The whole sentence is a lifestyle. A peaceful, intelligent, less embarrassing lifestyle. Repeat it.
જવાબ આપતા પહેલા તે વિચારે છે.
Tiny dialogue. Why is he so quiet? Because.
જવાબ આપતા પહેલા તે વિચારે છે.
Bonus joke. He thinks so long that even the clock is like, sir, I have other appointments. Read first, panic never. Here comes a beautiful sentence for contracts, forms, and any paper trying to look innocent. Trust the paper less. Read more. In English, before she signs, she reads everything. In Gujarati,
તે સહી કરે તે પહેલા તે બધું વાંચે છે.
important words.
સહી.
Means, sign.
બધું.
Means, everything, and
વાંચે છે.
means, reads. This is the sentence of a careful legend. A champion of tiny print. A warrior of page 2. Say it slowly.
તે સહી કરે તે પહેલા તે બધું વાંચે છે.
Funny image. She pulls out a magnifying glass, reads the microscopic line, nods seriously, and only then signs. Because.
તે સહી કરે તે પહેલા તે બધું વાંચે છે.
Ask before you leap. Our last core phrase is for smart decisions. It's polite, practical, and extremely useful when life offers you choices, forms, prices, or weird subscription boxes. In English, before I decide, I ask. In Gujarati,
હું નક્કી કરું તે પહેલા હું પૂછું છું.
core words.
નક્કી કરું.
Means I decide, and
પૂછું છું.
means I ask. This phrase protects you from bad choices, confusion, and ordering the spiciest thing on the menu by accident. Say it with confidence.
હું નક્કી કરું તે પહેલા હું પૂછું છું.
Tiny comedy scene. The waiter asks, mild, medium, or volcanic. You whisper wisely.
હું નક્કી કરું તે પહેલા હું પૂછું છું.
Speed drill. Now let's make your mouth do some work. I'll give the English, and you imagine or say the Gujarati after the pause. Call me before you go.
તમે જાઓ તે પહેલા મને ફોન કરજો.
Before we start, let's clarify that.
શરૂ કરતા પહેલા ચાલો એ સ્પષ્ટ કરીએ.
Before he answers, he thinks.
જવાબ આપતા પહેલા તે વિચારે છે.
Before she signs, she reads everything.
તે સહી કરે તે પહેલા તે બધું વાંચે છે.
Before I decide, I ask.
હું નક્કી કરું તે પહેલા હું પૂછું છું.
Mini story of the very careful family. Let's glue everything together in one short, funny story. Listen once for fun, and once again for the target phrases. A mother stands by the door and tells her son.
તમે જાઓ તે પહેલા મને ફોન કરજો.
In the next room, two cousins are planning a project, and one says.
શરૂ કરતા પહેલા ચાલો એ સ્પષ્ટ કરીએ.
Grandpa is asked a tricky question. Everybody waits, because.
જવાબ આપતા પહેલા તે વિચારે છે.
Auntie gets a document and smiles like a detective, because.
તે સહી કરે તે પહેલા તે બધું વાંચે છે.
And finally, you are offered a mysterious discount plan involving 12 apps, 3 cards, and 1 free spoon. You breathe deeply and say.
હું નક્કી કરું તે પહેલા હું પૂછું છું.
Congratulations. This family may be slow, but they are unstoppable. Friendly conclusion. You did great today. Seriously, your brain just became more careful, more expressive, and probably safer around contracts. Today you learned how to say 5 useful English too.
Gujarati.
Phrases built around the idea of before.
તમે જાઓ તે પહેલા મને ફોન કરજો. શરૂ કરતા પહેલા ચાલો એ સ્પષ્ટ કરીએ. જવાબ આપતા પહેલા તે વિચારે છે. તે સહી કરે તે પહેલા તે બધું વાંચે છે.
And.
હું નક્કી કરું તે પહેલા હું પૂછું છું.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and let your Gujarati grow one smart sentence at a time.